yeah.
Nothing like being way out in the woods with your fresh cooked, fresh killed wild deer meat. Doesn't get much better than that. Alright guys, so basically wild cooked venison is what we got going on here. Wild killed, we've been out here doing some survival training and whatnot. And really all I did, you know, right after the fresh kill, took some of the particular pieces of meat, put some seasoning on it, whatever seasoning you liked. I used salt, pepper, garlic, and some, you know, just some various whatever we had. Put orange juice on it. I prefer using like bitter orange, but I put orange juice on it. I did, I think, 24 hours with just the spices and then orange juice for a few hours. Wrapped in tin foil with some vegetables, tomatoes, onions, potatoes for your, you know, for your starch. If you're on like a crazy diet, you don't have to do the potatoes. But then went just stuck it in the 200-year-old Adobe brick oven, and that's kind of the kicker there. And it just came out absolutely amazing. So good. Wow.